Let's talk about something that might not sound glamorous but holds incredible power: budgeting. Forget the spreadsheets and the feeling of restriction for a moment. Think of budgeting as something far more profound, a powerful tool for self-mastery. Because when you cultivate discipline in your finances, you unlock a level of freedom in your life you might not have even imagined. Let's break it down. Beyond restriction, budgeting is intentionality. Most people see budgeting as a set of rules designed to limit their spending. And while it does involve making conscious choices about where your money goes, at its core, budgeting is about intentionality. It's about taking control of your resources and directing them towards what truly matters to you. It's about being deliberate with your money, rather than letting it slip through your fingers aimlessly. This act of conscious control is the first step towards self-mastery, the discipline muscle, strengthening your willpower. Creating and sticking to a budget isn't always easy. It requires you to make choices that might not provide instant gratification. It challenges you to resist impulsive desires. In this way, budgeting acts like a workout for your discipline muscle. Each time you make a conscious financial decision aligned with your budget, you strengthen your willpower, not just in the realm of finances, but in all areas of your life. This newfound discipline spills over into your health goals, your career aspirations, and your personal development. Clarity and awareness. Knowing where you stand, just like a skilled craftsman knows their tools, self-mastery requires clarity and awareness. Budgeting forces you to confront your spending habits to see exactly where your money is going. This level of awareness can be eye-opening. You might discover leaks you didn't know existed or identify spending patterns that don't align with your values. This clarity empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial landscape. Freedom from financial anxiety, taking charge of your future. One of the most significant benefits of financial discipline through budgeting is the freedom from financial anxiety. When you have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and savings goals, you feel more secure and in control of your future. This peace of mind frees up mental energy that was previously consumed by worrying and allows you to focus on your passions and pursue your goals with greater confidence. Aligning your finances with your values. Living intentionally, true self-mastery involves living in alignment with your core values. Budgeting provides a framework for consciously directing your money towards the things you truly care about. Whether it's saving for experiences, supporting causes you believe in, or investing in your personal growth, your budget becomes a tangible expression of your priorities. This intentional allocation of resources ensures that your money is working for you in a way that resonates with your deepest values. Building a foundation for future growth, long-term vision. Budgeting isn't just about managing your money today. It's about building a foundation for future growth. By consistently saving and investing, you're planting seeds for long-term financial security and freedom. This forward-thinking approach requires discipline and a commitment to your future self, key components of self-mastery. Master your money, master your life. Budgeting, at its heart, is an act of self-mastery. It's about cultivating the discipline, awareness, and intentionality needed to take control of a crucial aspect of your life. And when you master your finances, you unlock a level of freedom that extends far beyond your bank account. It empowers you to live more intentionally, reduce anxiety, and build a secure future. So, embrace the power of budgeting, not as a restriction, but as a tool for mastering your money and, ultimately, mastering your life.